This video shows you how to wrap a fully loaded pallet inside the so-called hood liner of VQM packaging and apply modified atmosphere. First, place the plastic bottom sheet that comes with the hood liner on a carton sheet on an empty pallet. Then place the special pallet protection cover of VQM on the bottom sheet. Carefully place the fully loaded pallet on the protection cover. Lift the sides of the protection cover and fix the corners with the red Velcro tape that is sewed to the covers. Place the top part of the hood liner over the pallet load. Carefully seal the flange of the top part of the hood liner to the plastic bottom sheet. Avoid wrinkles in the seal to create a perfect hermetic enclosure around the pallet. Now you are ready to connect the VQM unit to the valve that is sealed inside the hood liner. Through the bayonet connection, the connection head can be fixed to the valve. On the main screen of the VQM high-speed conditioning unit, you can create your own protocol to modify the atmosphere or select an existing program. To create your own program, select one of three available protocols. Protocol 1 is to create vacuum only. Protocol 2, so-called MAP vacuum, will inject the external gas that is connected to the VQM unit after it reaches the set vacuum level. As final step, a vacuum will be created, after which the machine will stop automatically. Or select protocol number 3 called MAP. No vacuum, and the machine will stop after the last injection cycle of the connected gas. After selecting the protocol, set the desired vacuum level, anywhere between 500 to 950 HPA. When a full pallet is placed inside the hood liner, never use a vacuum level that is lower than 500 HPA, as the vacuum will become too deep and will create too much pressure on the plastic of the hood liner. Subsequently enter the so-called flush time. This is the time that is needed to inject the external gas until the vacuum level is gone again. The time required depends on the free air volume inside the wrap and the pressure with which the gas is injected. To obtain a higher concentration of the connected gas, you can repeat the vacuum and injection cycles automatically, simply by entering the number of cycles on the main screen. To activate the set program, press the green Start button on the left, below the touch screen. In case you want to stop the program manually, press the red Stop button that is next to the Start button. In case the maximum vacuum level is set at 500 HPA and the injection pressure is between 6 to 8 bar or 85 to 115 psi, one full cycle would take around 2 minutes, or even less for very dense products. 2 cycles in this case would double the total time required. After pressing the Start button, the machine will automatically run through the set protocols. On the main screen you can see the actual status in the column next to the set values. Once all set cycles are completed fully, the machine will stop automatically, and the connection head can be taken off and the lid of the valve closed.